Good intentions can waste years of your life. I started bodybuilding at a very young age and I couldn't play rugby because of my size. And one day I went to the gym with this big friend of mine and I couldn't believe how weak I was. So I started slipping into the gym through the back door. And because I realized how weak I was, I wanted to get bigger. But I never started to play rugby. I went all in into bodybuilding, and it went like that for nearly 13 years. I trained, and yes, I got bigger, but I didn't really know what I was doing or what I wanted. And one day that intention stopped, and I realized I knew exactly what I wanted. I started to take action. And fuck, bro, things started to change quickly. And the 13 years weren't wasted. They built a good foundation. But knowing what I wanted finally gave that foundation direction. So, what do you want?
Fuck jij wat mij tijd gemorst. Jij wat mij net gekozen.